Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and we're just going to have a quick look at the Nike React Pegasus Trail 4s. So here on my left, we got the Picante Red. This is the OG version. And on my right here, we got the Spring Green, the Goretex version. And essentially, they are the same sneaker in regards to all the technology used, but bar one, which I'll get into right now. So if you look at the outsoles, pretty much the same. Lugged outsole there for you with the exposed React. And we move along into the upper. Great use of the React technology. If you're big into running, I highly recommend Nike React's technology. It's great for that strides, adaptability. You got that, all that flavor. And then the upper, this is where it's all different. Obviously, this is more expensive, and that is because of the Goretex. So you can see that Goretex lining all around. I'm a big fan of Goretex because I'm a big fan of core fashion. So you can see the Goretex all around. Obviously, with it being Goretex, this is waterproof. Unfortunately, this is like water resistant. Look at this upper. I mean, they're both light, very light. It's essentially kind of the same materials being used in regards of the meshes, because apart from the Goretex sleeve, essentially it's this one and then some. But if you were to ask me which one I prefer, I will go for the Goretex. I do love this color of green also, but that won't stop you guys getting this. This is very, very good in and of itself as well. This just attracts me more because of Goretex. So if I was to pick between the two, I would pick the Spring Green Goretex version, and that is solely because of the Goretex technology in it. So that rounds off my comparison. If you'd like to see some performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. Till next time, guys, remember to follow us on Instagram and on TikTok at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. And we love you. Give you all that jazz. Till next time, guys. Peace.